Hi everybody, this is John and welcome to the free video. So this is kind of I've been Turks and Caicos for the last week and a half, kind of unwinding, taking some time off. Been pretty intense, an intense trading year, as was last year. And so it's always good to have some time off and just kind of like, all right, let's get back in the swing of things. And while I was snorkeling, this is kind of I had a brainstorm. I have so many charts that are spread out. I was like, why don't I just make this one chart? And this has all the tools that I like. So I got the multi-squeeze histogram, multi-10x. Of course, this doesn't really matter. That's just there. But those are 1 minute charts, so I can see the multis. And then down here on the daily chart, I've got the readings of how the squeezes typically go. I've got the utility labels that I like. And then over here, I got the early warning, squeeze, buy signal. And then the Keltner channels, ready, fire, aim, pro, and the buy and sell confirmation arrows. So anyway, that's all the tools. A lot of the tools that I like to use are typically on different charts. And this is a way that I can just kind of dive in and look at them right away, or all in one setting. So what I liked here, so Apple, so of course the NASDAQ and the S&Ps and a lot of indexes right now are very extended. Apple, on the other hand, is in the buy zone. We got a ready, fire, we got a squeeze. We also got larger squeezes across the board here, and of course the 10Xs are all solid. So this is one of the few setups out there right now, especially on a big tech stock, where it's clean, it's not extended, and I like the idea here that we could get a run into the 154, 157 level over the next couple of weeks. Of course, this week is monthly expiration, so we may get some kind of back and forth, but I like the idea of December calls here to hold through that and benefit from a pop after that. From there, kind of the biggest question I got a lot of was on Bitcoin. I think everybody's expecting it to go straight to 100,000. I think Bitcoin needs to get down to about 54,000. 53, 54,000. That would put it about right about here. Get some flushes here. I would buy that, and you could buy, of course, Bitcoin itself if you like crypto, or that ETF BITO. And so you can see it's mimicking it very closely. We're down here at 38.22. It was up as high as nearly 44. So I think another day or two we could buy this one or sell puts and then look for a pop back up in Bitcoin. All right. I got a lot of other stuff to cover, the dollar and Tesla and things like that. I'll do that in the premium video. You guys have a good night, and I'll see you at the next update.
Hey, John here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below and let us know what topic you want to see us cover next. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release new videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com and learn how to sign up. Good trading, and we'll see you next time.